This is a redemption mine strategy to try and win $100 in 5 minutes or less. Potential that this could take a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but I'll speed up the video for you in case that happens. Now, the background story behind this strategy is presented to us by Vico Gambles. And if you watch the roulette tournament, he submitted a strategy and he got super unlucky, and we lost our $1,000 bankroll in literally 3 spins. But Vico doesn't normally do roulette strategies. He's normally an original games type of content creator. So I said, okay, let's try and win my money back. So we're going to try and win $100 with this Vico mine strategy. Don't know if he's got an actual name for it. Apologies if you do, but I'm going to call it the Vico mine strategy. That way, if it goes bust, he's fully accountable. I'm only joking. All gambling comes with risk, but we're going to try this one out, presented to us by Vico. So dead easy to set up. We're obviously on mines. We're on auto. I've set the bet amount to 0.2 of a dollar, so 20 cents. That's with my $1,000 bankroll. Now, originally he said 12 cent, I believe it was, but it was just taking too long to win our money back. Sorry, too long to win that $100. So I increased it to 20 cents, but that has meant that I've only got 17 progressions rather than 18 progressions. We've got 7 mines and we've got 3 tiles selected. We're doing top left, bottom, middle bottom, top right for that V for Vico. And on a loss, we're increasing by 60%. I will start the auto bet and we can see how this goes. We're definitely going to need it on turbo mode because I don't think it's the fastest strategy out there. I think this is one of those that when you do hit a winner, you fully recover. You see, that's a 2.79 payout. So we are favourite not to win. We don't want to go on a. Whew. Imagine if I did another Vico video and we just bust out straight away. That would be tough. Come on. Anyway, right. I'll stop watching it because it obviously I'm due to lose some. So I've got 17 losses in me. As long as I don't hit 17 losers in a row, can hit 15 losers and then win, and I'll do okay. So yeah, there's going to be a link in the description to Vico's channel. He's a new content creator, and I want to encourage all of you guys. So I know how difficult it is to create content, put it on YouTube, and have very little views. That happened to me for about a year. And then you finally get a bit of a break, and then you do quite well, and you start generating a community. So, the guys in my community that want to do this sort of content, it's hard work and you're going to have a lot of patience. But let me help you. So, you got the likes of obviously Casino, Magic Raven. I was going to say Casino Matchmaker. That's me. Magic Raven. You got Tekka Roulette. You got Wraith, who's a new one. So check out Wraith. Obviously, you got Vico, Slot, Casino IQ. So if this is the sort of thing that you like to do, it has to be casino related. Obviously, I can't sort of help you out with. I don't know if you've got a cooking channel. I don't really know how to help you. Sorry, but if you've got interesting strategies and roulette games, dice, whatever, come and join the Discord. And I just want to share all the strategies, all the findings that we have from our community. So we basically find a strategy and then try and improve on it. Now, it might not improve, you might completely ruin it. Not all strategies need improving, but with a group of people, we might be able to do something a little bit better. What are we on here? I didn't even start my stopwatch. I am guessing I've been going for about 3 minutes and with $34 in profit. So I did say that this one was going to take a little bit longer. Should be reasonably safe. I hate using that word safe because nothing is safe with gambling, but we've got um, a lot of progressions. Like we can hit a lot of losers. If I just go into those stats, let's have a look at this. 83 wins, 164 losses. So that is about what we'd expect. 3-1 payout. It's a little bit less than 3-1. You'd expect your wins basically win 1, lose 2. That's roughly what we're looking at here. 90 wins, 180 losses. So the probabilities of playing out, just as long as 17 don't come all at once. Hopefully, we're going to hit our $100 profit target. We're about halfway there. What I'll do, I'm just going to enjoy my coffee. I will speed this up for you, and we'll see if it pulls through and gets $100. Okay, we're getting close. Let's have a look at this. Oh, we're on a draw. Oh, just got back $96. So we got three more dollars to make. Just want to make $100. This has been a reasonably slow one, so I'll have sped the video up for you, but I think it's about 7 minutes. But I can afford to spend another 2 minutes if I'm going to win $100. There we go. It stopped out $100.08. Did we get into trouble? Not really. I mean, we had a little drawdown, but then, as the strategy should, it came straight back into profit. Easy to play, obviously, with mines. You don't really need a time frame. You just set it. You can go away and have a coffee. So, Vico, thank you for helping me win back $100. You only owe me $900 now. I'm obviously joking. You don't owe me any money. It's all gambling. So play this at your own risk. Don't come to me or Vico saying, I lost my money. But this one, pretty nice, easy, simple setup. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.